Today I'm sharing a very easy Greek yogurt, berry, and granola parfait that I eat every day for breakfast. I'm not much of a breakfast eater, but I'm trying to get better at that and eat breakfast every morning. And I have created this, we'll call yogurt parfait, that I have for breakfast. And sometimes I'll have for supper if I'm not that hungry either. But the protein in the Greek yogurt that I'm using, I find it really keeps me feeling full. I'm good to go until noon hour when we have lunch. I like to use some Canadian maple syrup, and I just like to drizzle a little bit over the berries, not a lot. You don't even have to do this step if you don't want to, but I do because it makes a nice little syrup. And then I'll just cover it and put it in the fridge and it's ready to go. So I've already showed you how to clean the berries and prepare them, and then I showed you how I lightly drizzle some Canadian maple syrup over the berries. If you don't want the added sweetness of the syrup, you don't have to do that, and you can use any berries you like. You can change this recipe any way you like. It's just something I concocted and I find it really enjoyable. And if you are following Weight Watchers, I have calculated it to be 8 points for everything. You could probably go a little lower in the points if you went with the plain Greek yogurt, but I don't like the taste, so I always buy the 2% vanilla. So let's get into the recipe. Okay, so I have my bowl, and I'm gonna start off by putting 1 cup of my Greek yogurt in. So I'm eyeballing that, and I'm saying that's about 1 cup. But again, you don't have to be exact. And that's what the berries look like after they've sat in the fridge overnight with the maple syrup drizzled on them. I like to use blueberries and raspberries. They're my 2 favorite berries. But like I said, you could use strawberries as well, or grapes, whatever you like. And this is the granola that I like, and it's by Nature Valley. It just has a little bit of sweetness to it and a lot of crunch. And then I just measure roughly with my hand, and So that is what my breakfast yogurt parfait looks like. It's really delicious and it's really filling. Let me know if you've tried my breakfast yogurt parfait, or if you have a different recipe that you like. I'd love to hear all about it. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I hope that you will. And thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope that you are having a great day and that you and yours are keeping safe and healthy. I'll see you soon. Bye.